And we'll kickstart this edition with some breaking news coming in. Remember, I said that this is an extremely important day today, given that the Supreme Court in 30 minutes from now will be pronouncing its verdict in the LGBTQIA plus rights. The court is to decide on the same-sex marriage legality. Will same-sex couples get legal rights? It's a big question before the apex court today. The court may finally settle the debate on adoption rights as well. It's going to be a historic 5-bench verdict shortly. Anisha Mathur is joining us live for more details on that big story. In just about 25 odd minutes from Anisha, the court is going to finally take a call on whether same-sex marriage is going to be legalized in India or not. It's undoubtedly going to be a landmark verdict, given that same-sex or gay relationships have already been decriminalized in India.
Well, yes, Neha, today is a very, very important day, not just for the LGBTQ community in the country, but also for the debate over the extent of rights, the right of choice and the right of individuals in a society. But of course, for all the LGBT couples in the country, this is going to be a very, very important day because they have been fighting for first to be decriminalized, then to be recognized as a relationship of legitimacy. What we need to see is the various arguments that were placed before the Supreme Court. The basic argument on behalf of the petitioners is about equality, dignity, and the right to live together, the right to choose one's own partner and live with them without interference. What that encompasses is, however, a large bouquet of rights, which is where the central government has objected. The central government has said that these are issues that the legislature has to see. This will require amendment of almost 158 provisions within about 28 to 29 laws. And the Supreme Court, while it may protect the dignity and the life of people, cannot change the letter of the law. And that is where the debate really hangs. How is the Supreme Court going to balance the rights of these couples with the way the law itself is structured in the country? The couples, of course, have said that under the Special Marriage Act, which allows for the two partners to choose each other to get married, they should also, as LGBT persons, get rights to be married. However, these rights will encompass not just the right to get married or have a wedding ceremony, but it will also recognize their right to live together, their right to rent a place, their right to inherit each other's property, their right to be each other's nominee as far as banking transactions are concerned, tax transactions are concerned, inheritance of property is concerned, whether they get a right to adopt a child or not. That was also a separate line of argument in this entire debate that went on before the Supreme Court for over 10 days. And this is something that has caught the nation's imagination also, because there have been religious groups and groups that have objected.